Welcome to my first report for the Game Jam project I'm working on. It's for the Mirror Game Jam being hosted on itch.io. Okay, yeah, everything's working all anyway, sorry about that. In any case, right now I'm working on getting the functionality working. I'll start things up here. And I didn't realize it's at the time that I could use the built-in first-person controller, so I used a tutorial to make my own. This is my first ever Unity game that isn't just a text-based adventure, so I've had to learn a lot as I go. Uh, anyway, first person, you can see the shadow here that the character object is a capsule. I'm just using the prototype objects for testing purposes. I'll be placing everything when before the end of the game jam. Um, I started a bit late, so I'm exactly 1 week in tonight. Uh, but and I'm a bit slower because this is my first time doing much of anything. So I had to learn pretty much everything from scratch. Anyway, so I got the camera working. I got controls working so I can move around. Reflection probes on the mirrors. It's kind of a choppy reflection, but it works. I'll try to get that fixed up before the end as well. And I got it so I can turn the mirrors. Okay, I didn't realize that. That's a bug. I'll fix that. But not sure. Oh, I know what's wrong there. Okay, because I've got. Anyway, I can fix that. So anyway, the point is I got the mirrors turning. Used a raycast to detect when I'm near an object, and if they are a mirror, it looks for the Q and E key presses to turn the mirror. And finally, I got the laser, but this is what's giving me trouble. I've been bashing my head against the wall for about 4 days now, trying to solve this one, 3 or 4 days now. Anyway, trying to solve this one bug. I can click to activate the laser, um, but as you see, it bounces off the second mirror and goes off on a weird angle back to the laser model. Now, what's happening is it was, if I set the number of bounces, it would bounce properly here to here and back to this object here. But I wanted to be able to stop the bounces if it hit something else. Um, so if it detects that's not a mirror, I'm using tags, but right now I'm just working on actually no, I think I've got it set up for tags now. Anyway, it should stop when it hits that object there. But it's detecting that it should stop, but after bouncing here, after the raycast bounces here, um, so the laser, instead of following that raycast there, bounces back here. Now I've tried changing the place of where the if statement is, and I got and if I put the if statement later in this loop, it will correctly bounce the laser to here, but then it will keep bouncing and also end up back here, right back to the start. Oh, actually, it wasn't that one. It's this block. I don't know. Anyway, it would bounce back to this thing. I've been struggling for 3 days to make this work. I've asked on Stack Exchange, said someone helping me there, but we couldn't figure it out. And I've asked on Brachy's site, but I haven't got an answer there yet. I don't know anybody's got this one, but quite obviously there's it can be done because I've seen other people in this very competition doing it. But uh, anyway, that's it for now. So I'll post again in a few days with more updates, hopefully with that laser working and some actual gameplay demo.